Today in crypto. Bitcoin has seen some wild volatility throughout the past few days and weeks, with its rally reaching a boiling point this morning when bulls sent it flying up to highs of $40,000 before it faced an intense influx of selling pressure. From here, the slid to lows of $36,000 before the selling pressure subsided, and the cryptocurrency was able to rebound back above $39,000. BTC now looks poised to see further upside, and it may only be a matter of time before it rallies towards $48,000 according to one analyst. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading up just under 5% at its current price of $38,600. This marks a notable decline from daily highs of $40,000 and marks a rebound from its recent lows of $36,000 that were set just a few days ago. Where in a recent tweet that a confluence of factors suggests that a break above $40,000 is imminent. He notes that these levels specifically point to an imminent move to somewhere between $46,000 and $48,000. Bitcoin's move above $40,000 and the strong double-digit rallies of multiple altcoins prove bulls are running the show. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, hit a new all-time high above $40,000 on January 7 after the price increased by more than $5,000 in less than 24 hours. The $40,000 barrier marks a significant milestone for the top-ranked cryptocurrency. According to Matt Blom, head of global sales trading at Equos, Blom added that instead of trying to pick the top, investors should just enjoy the ride. Shortly after Bitcoin surpassed $40,400, it ran into significant selling pressure that saw its price dip back as low as $36,600 before buyers came back in to take advantage of the quick dip in price. Bitcoin's 24-hour volume has reached a new all-time high of $82.4 billion. And a number of top cryptocurrency exchanges experienced outages and connectivity issues. Traditional markets also saw positive trading as the results of the United States presidential election now appear to be finalized, with Democrats controlling the presidency and both houses of Congress. The S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average and NASDAQ 100 are all higher on the day, up 1.42%, 0.71% and 2.37%. respectively. The 10-year government bond has also firmly risen back above the 1% mark, trading at $1,076 at the time of writing. Bitcoin's surge above $40,000 increased its dominance rate to 69.1%, but this did not negatively impact altcoin prices. Notable movers of the day included XRP, which has rallied 58.59% to $0.35 over the past 24 hours. Ether, ETH, price also continued to soar higher, setting a new 2020 high at $1,282 as the largest altcoin pursues its $1,400 all-time high. Other notable performers over the past 24 hours include Nano and yearn.finance's fee, which have seen increases of 77.33% and 20.93%, respectively. While many analysts continue to call for new daily all-time highs from Bitcoin, crypto trader Scott Melker advised caution, and in private comments to Cointelegraph, Melker said, by Yasin Ebrahim Investing.com, Bitcoin surged to a record high of $40,000 Thursday, and experts say the popular crypto can continue to ride on the coattails of institutional demand and risk-on momentum to above a six-figure price target. Bitcoin rose 10.48% to $38,515, though had hit a high of $40,383.40, taking its market capitalization, often used to gauge demand, to over $717 billion. Bitcoin is probably going to $100,000, then $150,000, then $200,000, Chamath Palihapitiya, chief executive of Social Capital, said in an interview on CNBC about how much longer the rally can continue. He added, however, that there was uncertainty over the time horizon when the popular crypto would reach those milestones. Recent events, including the eroding of trust in the public sector officials, have stoked demand for Bitcoin on the growing need to have insurance that provides an uncorrelated hedge. But eventually the popular crypto will transition into something much more important: Apathy said. Signs are already beginning to emerge that Bitcoin is on the cusp of emerging as more than a hedge. PayPal Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ PIP chief executive said its users will be able to use cryptocurrencies, available on PayPal, as a funding source later this year to buy at any of our 28 million merchants. Their promise is to use modern technology to enhance the utility of payments. In October last year, PayPal, with over 300 million active users, announced that it had entered the cryptocurrency market, allowing its users to buy and sell Bitcoin and other virtual currencies using their PayPal accounts. The strong demand from users has seen Bitcoin buying and selling volumes on PayPal's platform rise by more than 500% in the last 2 months, with transaction volumes rising from around $20 million in November to more than $100 million, according to Paxos owned Bit, PayPal's exchange provider. Equos, a Singapore-based digital currency exchange operated by Diginex, has announced the launch of a new Bitcoin BTC futures product without any settlement dates, marking a substantial leap in the BTC derivatives market. The firm introduced the BTC Perpetual Futures Contract on Thursday, a product it says is well suited to the current trading environment. The Perpetual Contract is geared toward professional traders with various risk profiles, with prices and liquidity provided by independent market makers. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. During the market downturn in March 2020, Bitcoin, BTC, fell over 50% in value across a 2-day period. Traditional financial markets also dropped vastly in March. Although Bitcoin posted a standout recovery, going on to smash all-time price highs, one might wonder what, if any, condition could instigate a similar future drop for crypto's largest asset. Dermot O'Riordan, partner at venture capital outfit Even Block, recently gave his thoughts on the matter. In the short term, Bitcoin's value prop as a non-sovereign censorship-resistant hedge to the dollar is growing stronger by the day, O'Riordan told Cointelegraph, saying that Bitcoin's volatility isn't going away anytime soon, and I expect to see a lot of volatility for years to come from those in the money taking money from the table, he said, adding continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.